Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the remaining preparation of the primary amine. Today we are going to discuss about the remaining preparation of the primary amines in organic compound containing nitrogen. That is the chemistry second year English medium. Here is the preparation of the amines. Preparation of amine. Here is the NH2 also known as a amine. Here is the preparation of amines. In previous class, preparation of amines by the reduction of nitro compounds, first one. The second one is the reduction of the nitrile groups. Third one is the ammonolysis of the alkyl halides. Next another one, fourth one is the reduction of the amides. Reduction of amides. Remaining primary amines prepared by the grabular thalamide synthesis. Grabular thalamide synthesis. In grabular thalamide synthesis, it is used for the preparation of primary amine. The grabular thalamide synthesis also used for the preparation of the primary amine. In already the first preparation, the nitro compound, reduction with the nitro compound, then form of the primary amine. That is the first preparation. And the second one, ammonolysis of the alkyl halide, that is also preparation of the primary amine in second preparation. And the third one, the reduction of the nitriles. Nitriles are cyanides. That is the third preparation of the primary amine from the nitriles, reduction of the nitriles. And the remaining fourth one is the reduction of the amides. Reduction of amide, that is the preparation of primary amine. Remaining the fifth one, primary amine is prepared by the grabular thalamide synthesis. Grabular thalamide synthesis. It is used for the preparation of primary amine. It is used for the preparation of primary amine. In grabular thalamide synthesis, prepared by the thalamide. Prepared by the thalamide. Here is the benzene bonding with the amide group, that is also known as a amide. The thalamide. Here is the thalamide treating with or react with the ethanolic potassium hydroxide. Ethanolic potassium hydroxide. Here is the first one, thalamide. Thalamide react or combining or treating with the ethanolic potassium hydroxide. Ethanolic potassium hydroxide. Then here is the removal of water molecule. Removal of water molecule, then form of potassium thalamide. Potassium thalamide. Here is the removal of hydrogen bonding. Here is the hydrogen react with the OH molecule, then form of water. Then it is also removal of the water molecule. Here is the N bonding with the potassium. N bonding with the potassium. So it is also called as a potassium thalamide. Potassium thalamide. Here is the thalamide react or treated with the ethanolic potassium hydroxide solution. Ethanolic potassium hydroxide solution, then form of, here is the removal of water molecule, here is the addition of potassium. So then here is the form of potassium thalamide. Potassium thalamide. Remaining, here is the potassium thalamide react with the alkyl halides. React with the alkyl halides. R means that the alkyl. X also known as a halides. Here is the potassium thalamide treating with the alkyl halide or hydrolysis of alkyl halides. Hydrolysis of alkyl halides. Then here is the removal of KH, that is also known as a potassium halide. Then here is the combining with the R group with the N. So it is also known as a N-alkyl thalamide. N-alkyl thalamide. Here is the potassium thalamide. Potassium thalamide. Potassium thalamide are treating with or hydrolysis of alkyl halides. Hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Then potassium treating with the halogen. Then removal of potassium halide. Potassium halide. Then here is the nitrogen bonding with the alkyl group, then form of N-alkyl. alkyl are also known as a alkyl, NCH3, aliphatic compound. Here is the N-alkyl phthalimide, N-alkyl phthalimide, N-alkyl phthalimide remaining when treated with the sodium hydroxide solution or concentration caustic soda, that is also known as a sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, then here is the form of primary amine. Then here is the form of primary amine, remaining another one is the salt. That is the preparation of the primary amines from the Grabiel phthalimide synthesis. Grabiel phthalimide synthesis. In Grabiel phthalimide synthesis, it is used for the preparation of primary amines from the phthalimide. When the phthalimide treating with the ethanolic potassium hydroxide solution, then here is the removal of water molecule, then form of the N bonding with the potassium, then form of the potassium phthalimide. When potassium phthalimide treating with the alkyl halide or hydrolysis of the alkyl halide, then removal of potassium halogen or potassium halide, then form of N bonding with the R also known as a alkyl. So here is the N-alkyl phthalimide is formed. N-alkyl phthalimide is formed. When N-alkyl phthalimide treating with the concentration sodium hydroxide, it is also known as a base, that is combining with the sodium hydroxide solution, then form of primary amine. Limitations of the Grabiel phthalimide synthesis. It is used for the preparation of only primary amines. Grabiel phthalimide synthesis also used for the preparation of only primary amines, not only secondary or tertiary. So here is it is used for the only preparation of primary amines, or tertiary butyl amine is the primary amine. Tet-to-butyl amine also known as a primary amine, but cannot be prepared by this method. In this case, eliminations takes place. In this case, only elimination of the takes place. That is also known as a Grabiel phthalimide synthesis. In first limitation of Grabiel phthalimide synthesis, the first limitation, it is used for the preparation of only primary amines, not only secondary, tertiary or quaternary, but only primary amines also used for the preparation of Grabiel synthesis. Tet-to-butyl amine, primary amine, but cannot be prepared by this method. In this case, only elimination of the takes place. Here is the elimination of water molecule, then addition of potassium. Remaining here is the N react with the alkyl. Here is the elimination of potassium halide. Remaining here is the R group, that is the bonding with the NH2, that is also known as a primary amine. Here is in this method only elimination of the takes place. Then this reaction only used for the preparation of primary amine. Tertiary butyl primary amine cannot be prepared by this method. In this case, method only preparation of only primary amine. This synthesis only elimination of the takes place. Remaining aryl primary amines. Aryl also known as a benzene group. That is also known as a benzenide group bonding with the NH2. That is also known as a aryl primary amine cannot be prepared by this method. Here is the aryl primary amines cannot be prepared by the Grabiel synthesis method because of aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. Aryl halides do not undergo by the nucleophilic substitution reaction with potassium phthalimide under mild condition. That is the second limitation of the Grabiel phthalimide synthesis. Here is the aryl primary amines cannot be prepared by this method. That is also known as aryl groups, also known as a benzenide groups. The benzenide group bonding with the NH2, that is also known as a aryl primary amines. Aryl primary amines. Aryl primary amines cannot be prepared. Here is the only aliphatic primary amines prepared by the Grabiel synthesis. But here is the aryl primary amines cannot be prepared by this method because of the aryl halides. Aryl halides do not undergo the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction with potassium thalamide under mild condition. Under mild condition. That is the second limitation of the Grabiel thalamide synthesis. Remaining another one. Here is the sixth one. Preparation of the Hoffmann bromide degradation. Hoffmann bromide degradation. Hoffmann means is the scientist name. That is also known as a Hoffmann bromide degradation. What is the Hoffmann bromide degradation? Here is the amides. That is also known as a RCONH2. Here is also known as a R bond, C double bond ONH2. This function group also known as a amide. That function group also known as a amide. R bonding with the C double bond O bond NH2. That is also known as a amide group. Here is the amides. Amides treated with the bromine. Here is the amides treated with the bromine in ethanolic caustic soda or sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide then produce the primary amine. That is also called as a Hoffmann bromide degradation. Hoffmann bromide degradation. In this reaction, Hoffmann bromide degradation, amides. Here is the R bond CONH2. It is also known as a amide. Here is the amide treating with the bromine in ethanolic sodium hydroxide solution. In ethanolic sodium hydroxide solution, then produce the primary amine, then removal of sodium carbonate, sodium bromide, next another one water molecule. That is also known as the Hoffmann bromide degradation. Hoffmann bromide degradation. In Hoffmann bromide degradation, amides treating with the bromine in the presence of ethanolic sodium hydroxide or caustic soda, then form of the primary amine, then produce the primary amine. That is also known as a Hoffmann bromide degradation. Hoffmann bromide degradation. These six main reactions are preparation of the primary amines. Preparation of the primary amines. Next another one, physical properties of the amines. Physical properties of amines. Aliphatic amines of the lower order. Here is the aliphatic amines. Aliphatic amine is also known as a R bond NH2, also known as a aliphatic, or also known as a alkyl group. Alkyl also known as a aliphatic compound. That is also linkage of C double bond C, C double bond C, or C bond C bond C. That is also known as a aliphatic compound. Here is the aliphatic amines of the lower order. Aliphatic amines are the lower order or gases with the ammonical smell. Gases with the ammonical smell of primary amine. Ammonical smell of primary amine with C3 or more liquid with the fish order. Fishly order. Then lower aromatic amines. Lower aromatic amines are liquid with the characteristic unpleasant order, and higher ones solid or orderless. Solid or orderless. That is the physicochemical property. That is the first one. Aliphatic primary amines or aliphatic amines of the lower order. Aliphatic amines are lower order or gases with the ammonical smell, or gases or ammonical smell with the primary amines, or with the C3 or carbide. That is also known as a carbide. More are the liquid the Fischli order. More are with the Fischli order or fish order. Remaining lower aromatic compound, that is also known as a lower compound. The lower aromatic compound, that is also known as a benzene group. Aromatic means that the benzenide groups. The benzene group bonding with the NH2, that is also known as a lower aromatic compound. Liquids with the characteristic spell or characteristic order and higher, ones are solid or orderless. Ones are solid or orderless. Then second one, aryl amines. Aryl amine is also known as a benzene bonding with the NH2. That is also known as a aryl group. It is also known as a aniline. Aniline or aryl amines, including aniline, that is also known as a aniline, are colorless. Aniline are colorless but become colored on the storage. Colored on storage. That is the second property. Next, another one, solubility of the aliphatic amines. Solubility of the aliphatic amines. Here is the aliphatic, that is also known as a R bond NH2, also known as a aliphatic compound. The aliphatic amines are primary amines. The primary amines soluble in water, decreasing with the increasing of the molecular weight. Decreasing with the molecular weight. Decreasing with the increasing of molecular weight. That is the solubility of the aliphatic amines. Solubility of the aliphatic amines in water decreases. In water decreases, then increasing of the molecular weight. Increasing of molecular weight. Remaining another one, higher amines are soluble in water. Higher amines, that is also known as a high atomic weight. That is the higher molecular weight of the amines soluble in water. Soluble in water. Remaining another property, they are soluble in solvent. Here is the primary amines are soluble, such as a alcohol. Next another one, benzene. Remaining another one, ethers. The primary amines are soluble in alcohols or benzenide groups or benzene. Remaining another one, ethers. Remaining another point, the boiling point of the isomeric. The boiling point of isomeric amines follows order, that is the order of, here is the primary is greater than secondary amine is greater than tertiary amine. That is the boiling point of isomeric amines. Isomeric amines, that is the following order of primary is greater than secondary, secondary is greater than tertiary. That is also called as a boiling points. Boiling points of the isomeric order. Isomeric amines following the order, that is also known as a primary is greater than secondary or secondary is greater than tertiary. That is the boiling of isomeric amines following order, that is also known as a primary is greater than secondary or secondary is greater than tertiary. That is the physical properties of amines. Remaining another one, chemical properties of or chemical reactions of the primary amines. Remaining another classes we discuss about the chemical properties or chemical reactions or substitution reactions of the primary amines.